Welcome back to the channel. It's Beats by Mod. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a melody starting with just 4 notes. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. And if you have any suggestions on topics that you want me to cover in the future, please just drop a comment below. Now let's get into this beat. Alright, as you can see, we're in Logic Pro X. You do not need to be in Logic Pro X for any of this to work. You can do this in your own DAW, but you do need to pick your first 4 notes. My first 4 notes are going to be A, B, C, and E. But you can pick your own 4 notes. When you pick your 4 notes, you're going to make sure that the first of those 4 notes are going to be emphasized because you're going to repeat it over and over again. I'm going to demonstrate by recording this, but I'm going to record this over only 2 bars. So here we go. All right, so we go in here, select all, quantize. All right, so now we're going to go down an octave and we're going to put in some bass notes. All right, before that, we're going to take this pattern and stretch it out across 8 bars. So now we're going to be putting in the bass notes over a span of 8 bars. So here we go. All right, once again, everything we do, we go in here and we select all and quantize. While I let this play, while I'm listening back over, I'm going to think of what to do next, and I'm most likely going to go up a couple of octaves and add something in there and record it in afterwards. All right, time to record the rest. All right, select all of this and quantize, and we'll listen back to it. Nice. So now I have a patch of alchemy, one of the sounds that I like to hear. So I'm going to copy the pattern and put it in there. You don't need to use alchemy. You can use any other sound that you like, but we're going to copy the pattern and put it in there and listen to how it sounds. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to take the same alchemy patch and do a different instance of it with halftime on it. So with the halftime set to 1 bar, this is how it sounds. I'm going to solo it out. Sick. Now both of them together. Alright, we're gonna add a flute. Alright, so I'm gonna record a flute in. Once again, you already know, select everything. Actually, we can't select everything and quantize. We're gonna have to do this a little more delicately, because I did do some note slides in here. Just don't want to go to the line. All right, let's listen back to this. Just the flute. Perfect. Now everything. All right, so before all of this, I pre-recorded some drums. I'm going to show you what the drums sound like by themselves. All right, now we're going to listen to what we just made with those drums to see how it sounds. Holy, that was hard, especially coming from just 4 notes. You guys drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think about it. If you want to learn how to arrange your beats for artists, click the link that's popping up on your screen right now. And also drop another comment below. Let me know what topics you want me to cover in future videos. You guys, thanks for watching. I'll check you guys next time.